Hello sports fans, Ralph Fleck here. Welcome to RVing with Luck. Today's like Christmas again. I ordered several packages and we're gonna see what they are. I ordered them but didn't forget what they are, what's coming in. Let me get this out of the box. There's two things in here that I ordered. One's a gun cleaning kit. Here's the one I've been waiting for. There's two of these, and they are a solar pillow. Well, not a solar pillow. And they are vent cover pillows. So let's see what I got to do here to show you. They come in all squeeze it compact. Some Velcro adhesive. So this is your standard 14 by 14 square for your roof vent covers or your roof vents. Silver side goes up and in. This will eventually expand to about 3 inches. And I already put one in, I'll show you in a minute. Awesome. Keeps the heat out and keeps the warmth in on a cold day. So here's a vent cover that's standard. Here is the reflective side facing upwards and the pillow in there. What a difference. No more bright light waking me up in the morning. So let's see, I pre-opened these. All right. This is my Lucy inflatable and mobile charging. So you can not only charge this guy after you inflate it, it's a light, by charging it out in the sun on solar, or you can plug it in and charge it via USB, or once it's charged, let's say either way, you can plug your phone into it and charge your phone up with this guy. This is awesome. I can't wait to get into that more. And here's that Lucy light after it's been inflated. Solar panel on top. There's the USB charging port. Battery indicator. Shows it's full. And of course it's daytime. But woo, that's the lowest setting. It's got high, medium, low, and strobe. Time for me to let out Ninja. Go on. Get a mousey. And the gun cleaning kit did not come with this, which is my cleaning oil or material and my lubricating oil for the gun cleaning kit. See what we got here. Definitely time for 2 new ones of these. It's my pee bottles. There's 2 of them. What do they call them? Male urinal bottle 2-pack. You don't want to, as a male, fill up your black tank with just pee. That's to go outside. But at nighttime, it's nice to have a couple handy pee bottles. One's a little smashed. Oh, let's see what this is. So the camera fell, but in that box was 2 shocks for my trunk of my 2006 VW Beetle convertible that I got. Camera's going down again. So it only had 1 shock on there, 1 strut, and I've got 2 to put onto the trunk to hold the trunk open. And last but not least, it's my own air filter for the generator definitely going to put this right on. So got some goodies. I'm excited about this in my trunk and excited about all of them. Thanks for watching. More packages to follow because that VW Beetle needs a few extra little parts. From Ninja and I, take care. Please like if you like this video, found it helpful or interesting or entertaining. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell to the right of it for the all, so you get all the YouTube alerts whenever I post a new video like this one.